Hey gang, Poppy here, Caffeine BS for August 6, 2019. It's freaking hot. Tonight, the weather is exactly perfect for the first three words of a Neil Diamond song about a preacher. Yeah. Anyway, I won't speak to the news. The news totally disgusts me. I'm not going to speak to it at all. Let's talk about fun in the shop. Like, I went out in the shop last night to record machining the last part on my DRO install. Between the computer I was using out there don't want to recognize my POV cam, and for some reason it don't want to even recognize its own built-in microphone. The whole session got recorded with no sound. And it's really sad because some of my best free association verbiage should I say syllabage, multiple syllables. I mean, I was extremely funny last night. No sound recording. But I posted it anyway because the machining was important. I have to drag my machine either in here, you have to drag my machine in here, and shoot the demonstration video in here, or take the computer out to the shop like usual. Obviously I can't use that other computer out in the shop to record. Can't use it in here to post. I guess I can grease it up and won't have to worry about soiled underwear for a while. Anyway, my funds are like exhausted, so these big projects, like, they just ground to a halt. I'm gonna have to do a bunch of piddly little things like trying to fix a bullet speaker. What's inside this machine that just died? Maybe someone who liked the idea of my DRO install will say, hey, maybe this guy needs some support. Great. You like my stuff? Comment. Subscribe to my channel. I mean, 15. One of them is my other computer, and the other one, another one is my daughter-in-law. So that's only 13 subscribers. That's pathetic. Subscribe, please. Anyway, you want to support my channel? Comment here. Tell me how. We'll work it out. Other creators. I mean, I haven't been sending you envelopes full of cash saying send me swag because I don't have envelopes full of cash. But hey, I won't turn down some stickers from other creators. Comment. Tell me. Or Emma has my email address. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Yeah. Emma of Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop has my email address. Don't bug her now. No, Emma, I really meant that when I said don't bug you. Put a comment here. We'll get in communication. I'm gonna go cry now. Some of my best stuff is screwed up because of computer failure.